What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today's going to be round 3 with the compost pile. It's heated up 2 different times, and now I have a whole bunch of grass clippings that I'm going to add to it right now. So I'll bring you along, show you what I'm doing. So 2 missions are happening here at the same time. I'm getting a chance to smother the grass that was in the old pool area with the grass that I pulled up when I did my dethatching and my scarifying. So now I'm going to take this and add it over to the compost bin. Okay, so here's the compost bin area. I was able to make a little front gate for it, and it's only at about 80 degrees. This really needed to be done last week, but time didn't allow for it, so now I'm going to do it now. I'll show you with the gate how I'm going to unhook it. Well, it looks like it's breaking down. When I planted my carrots, I used these to cover the top. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to kind of fluff that area up and then start getting grass clippings to add to the pile. When I first started the compost pile, I started with a lot of kind of twigs down at the bottom just to help with the aeration. Okay, so typically I like to end with brown on top, but because I have so many grass clippings, I'm gonna just end this with a pile of green nitrogen on top. What I will do, I have some of the other compost. I'll add a little bit of that to the top. So I want to go ahead and show you something. I've gone ahead and added a bunch of water to this. It was actually about 12 gallons of water. And look, on the side, you don't see anything. And in the front, you just see just a little bit of a trickle. And on this side, you don't see anything. So all that water is going to help with the microbes to get everything cranking in there, get everything heating up. We gave it a nice big turn. Got a lot of air in there also, so hopefully with those grass clippings this thing's going to really heat up. The last time I turned it, I had it at 140 degrees for about 3 days, so I'm hoping with all this grass I'm going to at least hit that 140 and hopefully push it towards 4 or 5 days. Aha, don't want to forget my thermometer. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can see how this compost looks come next season. This is just going to sit here basically all winter long. I'm going to keep adding some nitrogen while I still have it, and then I'm going to go ahead and be able to add and amend all the raised beds that I have in the springtime with this compost. So thanks for coming along, checking out the video. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to get back with you. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video, everybody. Have a great day. I had a little accident.